maybe it's by Mandarin. I think lots of works are tedious tasks, like data cleaning and preliminary literature research. And I have tried this. All of this could be done by AI agent from, for example, AI literature research and screening, and data cleaning, and even statistic coding can be done exactly by the AI, but you should write the SAP, the statistic protocol first. And all the draft could be written by AI, and including the submission format. If you have these materials, you can transform to different kinds of format for fitting for any kinds of publisher. I think we human and we expert need to be focusing on study design and how to interpret the results. This is the most important because, as I mentioned before, this is the first principle. If you do not design a study right, all the things are wrong. So I have tried this. All the things, even the IRB could be, and the regulation could be aided and assisted by the agent. For example, for the machine learning submission, I try to design the two-stage machine learning and then do the pipeline to do this and do all the data analysis and writing a draft maybe just in 1 week. But it was rejected. Yeah, because all the experts will be critical. But I think it's quite interesting experiment. And also, I try to use this phi and MRI prostate cancer prediction. This is automatic machine model iteration. All the pipeline can be done maybe in 1 week, from the idea to the submission ready a paper. Yeah, it's very quick, but I think the quality is not very good. But so we need to set up the checkpoint. For example, how accurate your research and how solid of your study design, and how accuracy of your results, and how do you interpret the results. So I think that's the checkpoint where human experts should intervene. Yeah.
So when they are critical, right, they give you comments, right? So do you